Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Daniel here. Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, if you have been struggling to get started with Facebook advertising, maybe you have a business, product-based, service-based, and you want to start advertising with Facebook and Instagram, because of course we all know Facebook has the precision, the reach to exponentially grow your business. This is the video to watch, because here in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to set up your Facebook Business Manager, because that is the one tool that you need in order to start running ads on Facebook. Now, this is very different from Facebook pages. We're not doing Facebook pages here. We are doing Facebook Business Manager, because that allows you to get access to all the tools you need as a business or as an agency to start running ads on the Facebook platform. Then you can be able to target really with precision and accuracy, in order to get the maximum returns on your ad spend. So if you're looking for a step-by-step video on how to set up your Facebook Business Manager now to start running ads on Facebook, this is the video to watch, and I'm going to jump right into my computer and walk you step by step on how to do just that. So if that's what you're interested in, make sure you watch the video till the very end. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now. I will really appreciate it. And let's jump into the video. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the business.facebook.com dashboard, where you will be able to create your business manager account. Now, the business manager account simply allows you to have all your digital assets, your ad account, your pages, your pixels in one organized platform, so that doesn't get mixed up with your personal Facebook profile. So if you want to start running ads, this is what you need to do. Come to business.facebook.com. You have to create a business account, because that is where you will be able to access all of your Facebook assets. Now, once you've done that, since I already have a Facebook business account, I'm just going to jump to the next page that you will find. So if you come here, I'm going to click on create a new one. So the first thing that you're going to see is when you come here, you will be taken to a page where you will be able to name your business account. Here it says Jasper's Market. That's just the default name. So if you come here, so I'm just going to do Daniel's Test. So as you can see, my name is Daniel MOR. I'm just leave it as Daniel's Test one more time. And my business email. So your business email, you want to make sure it's the business email that you use in receiving emails, because if you want to log in or if there's any important information that Facebook needs to communicate to you, that is the email that they are going to use. So I'm going to do, all right, cool. So now that I am able to create a new business account, let's see what comes up. Boom. So once you do that, you will have to confirm the account. They will send you an email, so you have to click on the link to verify the email. So I'm just going to go into my email here and verify the business account so I can have full access to it. Now let's see. All right, let's go to social. There it is. So I'm just going to confirm the email so I can have full access to my business manager account. Boom. So here we are. So now we have a brand new business manager account. This is where we will be able to have access to everything that we need to run ads on Facebook. This is where we're going to set up our pages if we ever need to, our ads account, the pixel, and pretty much anything that we want to do. Now you can add people into this business account if you have employees, or if you have a different agency handling all your marketing. You can invite them so they can have access to this business manager account. So here you will see a couple of things. You have pages, ad accounts, business assets, ads, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts. So here you can add all of these things into your Facebook manager. So number one thing we want to do is to add an ad account to this business manager, because it's still brand new. Now, if you come here, there's three options here. You can either add an ad account, request access to an ad account, and create a new ad account. Now, what this does, if you already have an ad account that you want to add into this business manager, maybe you already have an ad account existing outside of this business manager in another business manager, you can add it to this one. Now, if you are an agency, or maybe you want to have access to a different ad account outside of your organization, you can request access to an ad account. But if you are just brand new to this, you can create a brand new ad account right here. So I'm going to skip this over because it's pretty straightforward. Now it's going to ask me to add a payment method. I don't want to do that, but you need to understand that if you want to create a new ad account, you are going to need a new payment method. So that is how Facebook charges you for your ads. You can have as many ad accounts as you want inside of this ad account. I think you can have up to maybe 10, 20 or something like that, but you will be able to create individual ad accounts if you are running separate ads for separate businesses, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, the next thing that you want to set up is your is your pages. So let's say you already have a Facebook page. It's the same way that we did the ad account. That's the same way the pages also goes. You can add a page if you already have an existing one. You can request access to a page outside of your organization, or you can create a brand new page, whatever you want to do. So pages are the way that you can advertise your brand on Facebook. You cannot advertise a brand from your personal profile. Every business needs to exist on a Facebook page. So that is how you advertise. So that is why Facebook pages are different from Business Manager, because a lot of people get this confused. They are not the same. The Facebook page is how Facebook identifies your business, and that is extremely different from your from your personal profile. So you need to always remember that. So you can request access, you can create a brand new page, or you can add an existing page if you have that. Now, what else do you need to know here? So you need to, create pixel. Now, these are some of the things that I will talk about in a different video, how you can place pixels in your landing pages, so that way you can track everyone that comes to your website, so you can retarget them later on. So I'm going to show you an ad account that's already active right now. So this is an ad account that I've been using for a while, although I don't have any ads currently running inside of this one, but this is exactly what it looks like. So as you can see right here, I have pretty much everything set up. I have my ad accounts, I have my pages, I have pretty much everything set up on this page right here. Now let me show you a different ad account that is already working, so that way you can see exactly what an ad account that's already running ads, what it looks like. So let's come here and let's take a look at this one right here for one of the clients that I'm working for. Now let's go to the ads manager. Now this is what it looks like on the back end. I know a lot of people, when they are trying to run ads, they just click on the boost post on that button that comes up on their page. You don't want to do that, because what that does is that it sends there's no precision, there's no accuracy when you're trying to target people. With Business Manager, you have access to advanced features that allows you to target your audience with extreme precision, which is what Facebook is known for. With Facebook, you can blow up your business, you can exponentially increase your sales and your reach and just the overall growth of your business. So that is what you want to do. So this is what it looks like, an account that is already that is already running ads. As you can see right here, this account, we already have about $15,000 spent in ads till date. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, this is the campaign level. If you go to the ad set level, this is where you are able to target on the ad set. These are things that I will cover in my upcoming videos, how you can target, how to set up an ad once you have your Business Manager created. But in order to not let this video go too long, I'm just going to end it right here. So this is just how you set up your Business Manager if you are trying to run ads on Facebook. So this is what your Business Manager looks like once you have your ad set up. You can look in the description. I will have links to my upcoming videos on how to set up your ads for conversions or for whatever purpose you're trying to run ads for. I will have the links in the description, and also you can check any cards as well. So that's just how, very briefly, you can set up your Business Manager for Facebook ads. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions at all regarding what we talked about in this video. And of course, if you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me through Instagram if you have any questions regarding Facebook ads or how to start running ads for your business. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and if you enjoyed it, make sure you click the subscribe button and also like this video for the YouTube algorithm. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one.